Section 3, Video 2, a comparison of virtual and physical network. As you can see, a physical and virtual network are very similar, and if you compare them side by side, the only difference is that the access layer is implemented as virtual switches, while in a conventional physical network, the physical network has conventional access distribution and core design as shown in the picture. When we consider virtual network connectivity with physical network, and as shown in this picture, we have 4 virtual machines, each with a virtual NIC connecting to a port on the virtual switch. The virtual switches in turn are connected to the external or enterprise network using uplink or the actual physical network interface cards. This picture shows the transition between virtual and physical networks, where virtual machines in the virtual network are able to communicate with servers or other devices in the physical network, and this is all done seamlessly, showing that transition between the physical and virtual is transparent and very seamless. This picture shows an ESXi host with 2 virtual switches. This configuration appears to be a configuration for redundancy. We have 4 uplink ports indicating 4 network cards, 4 physical network cards. The cross connectivity to the external physical switches will help in redundancy in the event of a break in the network components, including a port going bad, a network cable failure, or even a whole physical switch going down. Virtual switch features include the ability to direct traffic between virtual machines and external networks, load balancing, physical NIC failover. In the event of one of the NICs failing, the other NIC can support traffic, a VM kernel port with its own TCP/IP stack for functions like IP storage or vMotion, a vSphere management network to allow connectivity and management. The virtual switch is a software construct implemented in the VM kernel. Switches are not manageable. They function at layer 2 and maintain MAC addresses. There is no routing involved. They support VLAN configuration, which allow the traffic to be tagged and untagged as it passes between the virtual and physical networks. Provides trunking using IEEE 802.1q standard. The virtual switch is configured with a specific number of ports. In this case, it's 120 ports. A virtual switch does not support dynamic negotiation protocols such as DTP and PAGP. To summarize, in this video we compared virtual and physical networks. We reviewed connectivity between virtual and physical networks and reviewed features of virtual standard switch. In the next video, video 3, we will review virtual network design rules. Thank you for watching.